All right, so the project today is to fix the sending unit in the gas tank here. Sending unit is right here. So I've got to rotate the gas tank a little bit so I can get to this and put a new sending unit in it. All right, well, let's get started on that. All right, so the first things first is I got to take a bolt off here and another bolt off there. That way I can take this step rail off. The step rail is part of the strap system, so it'll be in the way of the gas cap when I try to rotate the tank. So I got to take this off first. The next step is I've got a bent bolt right here, and I've got to heat this up and bend it back as straight as possible so I can get this bolt off. I don't want to just cut it because I need slack in this bolt, in this strap, to reuse it, and I don't want to have to replace this whole mechanism thing. So
uh-oh, I can't see, right?
Huh?
Will that blind me?
Just don't look directly at it, honey. Okay, fire in the hole.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, sweetie.
I gotta smell some mask on too.
Okay, honey. Very hot.
Break it out.
No, I'm trying.
Are you recording?
Uh-huh. What the heck, man? All right, well, that was a little more involved than what I had originally planned, but we got it done. Okay, next step is to get these bolts out of there so I can pull this step off. It's a little vibratory. All right, so now what we got to do is rotate the tank. Hopefully that's easier said than done, because usually things are a pain in the butt. Alright, I'm gonna have to drain this tank because it's just not gonna work. 500 some odd gallons, or 500 some odd pounds probably. All right, I've got this portable electric diesel pump. Got it hooked up to, I believe this is 5/8 hose. And it's just heater hose. It doesn't have to be pressurized or anything. And I'm gonna transfer the fuel from there into my tote. I spent the last couple days getting this thing cleaned out. So it's should be good enough for what I need to do. Got about 80 gallons in here, and this tote is, I think, 250 or 300 gallons. So it's big enough. All right, got my battery here, got the pump in there. Let's go ahead and switch her on. Here we go. Should be able to turn this thing now. All right, there it is. That's what I need to get to. Woo! Just fine. All right, that was relatively simple. All right, I'm pretty sure this is the signal wire. But I've got the wire hooked up to the one lead on my multimeter. I've got it set to continuity. So this is the signal wire coming off, and we have continuity there. All right, great. Now I gotta check the ground, make sure the ground is good. This is connected to the ground. All right, not getting a continuity check on the ground. All right, so I'm testing my gauges and my sending unit here. I'm pretty sure that the ground is not getting a good contact. So I'm just going to ground directly to this 12-volt battery here. And then slide the meter up here. All right, well, that works. I now have a working fuel gauge. Haha, all right. All my other important gauges now work. My oil pressure works. I don't know if this works yet. I have to test it. I got to get the engine up to temperature. Working 12 volt meter and working air pressure. Gotta have something shiny in here. Why not let it be shiny brand new screws? All right, done.